Hello friends, welcome back. In the previous video, I have discussed about what are operators, then types of operators, and finally arithmetic operators with example. Today I will be discussing about logical operators, their types, and use of logical operators with live examples. Logical operators are those operators which perform logical operations like and or not. Logical AND returns true if both operands are true. Logical OR returns true if one of the operand is true. And that logical NOT which simply reverses the state. Okay? Alright. Use of logical operators. We can apply logical operators to Boolean and non-Boolean types. Use of logical operators with Boolean values. It is very simple. I will show you it on the interpreter. Just a minute. Okay, now true and true, the result will be true. True and false, result is false, because for this AND operator both the operand should be true. Okay, false and false, result is false. For OR operator, true or true, result is true. True or the result again will be true. False or in this case the result will be false. Okay, not of true which is false, not of false which is true. Okay, back to the slides. Okay, here is also I have shown the output. Use of logical operators with non-Boolean values. For numbers, 0 means false and any other number means true. Okay, whether it is an integer or some complex number or some floating point number. Okay, I will show it in the example, don't worry about that. For string, empty string means false and any other string means true. Okay, just bear with me. I need to close it, again open it. Now I will show first this str and operator, then Boolean value. Okay, for that, first of all, this empty string, this is the empty string, quote open, quote close. Okay, if you will use space here and then quote close, it is not an empty string because in between these quotes there is an space character here. That is why it is not an empty string. Okay, got it? Now AND operator, then false. The result will be empty string. Okay, and this empty string and true, again the result will be that empty string. Now any other string, then these Boolean values, any other string like hi and this Boolean value false, the result will be false because this condition is false. If I will use like hi then AND of true, the result will be what? Just guess it. Result will be true. Okay, now string str, oops, and str. Okay, just for empty string, any other string, like I want to say, just I am going to use here this space character, which is not an empty string. Okay, I will show you in the next example that it is not treated as an empty string. Here the result will be empty string. Okay, now for any other string like this and off, again this string, the result will be the second operand. To check that, I have to use something here. Okay, now we are getting high. Okay, if it would be treated as false, then this result will not come here. It is a true condition because any other string will be treated as true. Okay, now for number and this boolean value. Okay, I will show this example now. 0, if you are going to use 0 or 0.0 or 0j, all of those are going to be treated as false. Okay, so to keep simple, I am going to use only 0. 0 and false, the result will be 0. Oops, 0 and 2, again the result will be 0 because we are using AND operator here. Okay, any other number and false, like 1, or I will use this floating point number, and false, result will be false because this operand is false. Okay, and any other number and true, result will be true. Okay, now number and number type. Okay, for that just let me close it, reopen it, and 1 and 3, what will be the output? This second operand, as in case of string. Okay, I have shown you in case of string that the output is this second operand. With numbers also the output will be this second operand. Okay, if we will use like this big number and this 1, which is very small number as compared to this one. Okay, then result is this, because this Python is going to treat it in the exponent form. So just let me reduce some zeros so that it can come in the decimal form only. Okay, got it? Now this OR operator. For OR operator, empty string or false, the result will be false. Empty string, oops, or true, the result will be what? True. Okay, because if one of the operand is true, result is true for this OR operator. Any other string or false, any other string like high or false, result will be high. Okay, any other string, Python or true, result will be the string only. Okay, this is how the Python has implemented all these operators. Okay, and for string, str or str type, then what will be the result? Empty string or some other string like Python the result will be the string, this string, because it is true. Oops, I did a typo here, just let it be white. Oh. Okay, the result is this string, which is true. And for any other string except this empty string, like just 1 2 3, which is a string, it is not treated as number now because it is enclosed within these quotes. Oops. Or some other string like some big number. What will be the result? The result will be first operand. Okay, if we will use like A here, or just Z here, or A here, the result will be Z. Okay, now this OR operator with numbers, 0 or false, the result will be false. Okay, 0 or true, the result will be true. Any other number, 1 or false, result will be that number. 1 or true, oops, 1 or true, the result is what? Number. Okay, for number or number or number type. So 0 or any other number, the result will be the number except other than 0. Okay, because it is true and this is false. For this OR operator, if one of the operand is true, the result is true. Result is 1 2. If we will use like this in this type, result is now be 2 3. Okay, and for any other number like 2 3 or 7 8, the result will be first operand. Okay, if I will use 9 0 1 here or 1 2 result will be, oops, what had happened here, I think I did mistake with it. Okay, result is this number, the first operand. Okay, and for this NOT operator, it will simply inverses the state. If I am going to use number, not of, oops, not of this number, result will be 0 or false. Okay, and not of any string, Python, result will be again false. Okay, not of this empty string, result is true. Not of this 0, result will be true. Okay, for this not operator, you don't have to worry too much. It simply inverses state, and you have to keep the rules in mind for these non-boolean values. 0 means false and non-zero means true, and just evaluate that, you will get the answer. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please, before you leave, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. Cheers.